The Lost Wallet. Tom is a boy. Tom is small. Tom lives in a small village. Tom walks to school every day. He walks on the road. He walks slowly. One day, Tom walks to school. The day is sunny. Tom feels happy. Tom sees something on the road. He stops. He looks down. It is a wallet. It is small and brown. Tom takes the wallet. Tom opens the wallet. He sees money. He sees a card. He sees a photo. Tom looks at the photo. He sees a man. Tom thinks, this is not my wallet. Tom thinks, the man is sad. Tom closes the wallet. Tom walks to school. At school, Tom sees his teacher. He says, I have a wallet. The teacher smiles. She says, good, Tom. Tom and the teacher go to the police station. Tom gives the wallet to a police officer. The police officer says, thank you. Tom waits. He sits on a chair. Soon a man comes. The man looks worried. The police officer gives him the wallet. The man is very happy. He says, this is my wallet. He says, thank you. The man looks at Tom. He smiles. Tom smiles too. Tom feels happy. Moral: be honest, be kind. The Lost